The Bible offers valuable insights on how churches can effectively communicate the gospel without resorting to manipulative or self-serving marketing tactics. In a world saturated with advertising that often prioritizes profit over authenticity, churches must approach marketing with integrity, honesty, and a genuine desire to serve others. By centering their efforts on sharing God's love and grace through meaningful content across digital platforms, churches can leverage marketing as a tool to further their mission of spreading the message of Jesus Christ. Join us as we delve into the biblical principles guiding church marketing efforts in this enlightening blog post. Discover how you can promote your church in a manner that aligns with biblical teachings. Key points to remember. The Bible underscores the significance of honesty, integrity, and service to others in church marketing endeavors. Church marketing should prioritize effectively communicating the gospel message and sharing stories of life-changing transformations through faith. Integrity should be the cornerstone of all church marketing initiatives to foster trust with the audience and reflect the character of God. Church marketing can serve as a potent means of community service by organizing outreach programs and addressing pertinent needs. Defining church marketing through biblical principles. Church marketing, when viewed through biblical principles, transcends mere promotion of events or services. It embodies a strategic approach to connect individuals with God's love and grace, effectively conveying the essence of the gospel. The biblical principles underpinning this approach primarily revolve around honesty, integrity, service to others, and an unwavering focus on God's boundless love.